to my channel. Please like and subscribe and share. Today we are going to dumbbell full body workout. All the first part is with dumbbell. Total 15 minutes to full body workout. Get start. First exercise. In this exercise we will take a dumbbell in one hand. Then squat will come the position. Take the dumbbell down. Slowly rises up again and lift the dumbbell up. Take the dumbbell. Slowly we rises again and lift the dumbbell up. Please continue. Only 40 and 30 seconds. And twist. And again repeat exercise. Other side भी. Full body best exercise and fat loss and fit your body and strong your muscles and minds. Please continue, guys. Next exercise, dumbbell swimming. In this exercise we will hold the dumbbell with both hands, lift it upward and bring it down. Dumbbell swimming exercise. Next exercise, hammer curls to press. In this exercise we will standing right. Take a dumbbell, both your hand, lift the dumbbell from your lower body and bring into the shoulder. Then take it up. Continue 40 and 30 seconds. And next exercise is the back exercise. Here's the way to do exercise. Take a dumbbell in your left hand and bring the right leg back and bring leg forward. We will exercise slowly. Very carefully, guys. We will exercise slowly. Continue 40 and 50 seconds. We will exercise slowly, and on the other side we will do the same exercise continuously for 30 to 40 seconds. I hope, guys, you like my video and can. Next exercise, upright row. This exercise is the best exercise to reduce your body fat and weight. In this you will stand in the right position and put in both your hand or take the dumbbell. It's from up to bottom. They move from to bottom to up. Next exercise, rear dead back. In this exercise we will upper body part. Turn your body forward and take a dumbbell in both your hand and move it from bottom to up. Lift the dumbbell and back. Next exercise, baiting burpees. In this exercise, with the help of dumbbell, we will downward your body, stand right, then you will plant your leg and then do body lifting and keep doing this exercise, the plank position, and move your body and leg only 30 and 40 seconds. Guys, don't give up, continue. So your all the exercise, this will keep your body slim and fit. All your weight will be less and your body and your stomach will be slim. To exercise continue, squat, burpees to curl press. In this exercise sit will be take the dumbbell in down and press. When we stand, we will be take a dumbbell upward. Bye bye guys.